brought me to Dr. Gouldin was the fact that my teeth were really starting to get loose in my mouth to the point where I actually could wiggle my teeth. And when I would eat, I'd have to eat on a preferred side because one side just had really loose teeth and it was all up in my upper. So I needed a solution. I knew that either my teeth were going to fall out and I was not going to have any control over that, or to get them all replaced so that I had nice teeth again. And I actually waited probably about 3 years, 2 to 3 years to get it done because I was fearful of the cost behind it. And actually the procedure itself, I knew that I was going to have all my teeth removed and have to have some solution. I didn't want to have dentures, something that was going to come out of my mouth. I'm not vain, but I certainly don't ever want to look in the mirror and not have my teeth or not have teeth in my mouth. So finally I got to a point where something had to be done. All of my top teeth were really not salvageable. So all of my top teeth were eventually pulled. And the procedure that I had done was full arch all the way across the top of my mouth. And then I had dental implants, 5 of them put into my mouth. And I have a high smile. When I smile, my lip goes high. So that was something that they had to consider so that it wouldn't show the implant or the prosthetic piece. And it really turned out well. I could smile pretty big without that showing. This was my mouth. This is my mouth now. I'm so happy to have this mouth. Overall health of my body feels better from having new teeth and getting those terrible teeth removed out of my body. I always felt self-conscious about myself. If I could smile, if I could eat in front of people, if I bit down on something hard, so many foods I couldn't eat anymore, and I love eating foods. Taste, spice of life. So from that standpoint, it was wearing on me to a point where I think after the fact and looking back, that I didn't even realize it was impacting me. So when this was all said and done, I feel like my life improved so much. Confidence came back, the ability to eat great foods, not having to be nervous about where I'm going, what I'm doing. After this was all done, my life has improved and given me my life back. So glad I don't have these teeth anymore. It's so nice to smile. My wife loves to see me smile too. So having these new teeth truly changed my life, truly, on so many levels.